Hi,
Hey, hi
hi.
Malvika.
I'm going good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So how's it going on? How's life?
Life is going good. I mean, it was interesting during starting of the lockdown, but now it's getting monotonous and just get bored day by day. How is your
Yeah.
lockdown going on?
My lockdown, అదే ఇనిషియల్ గా నాది చాలా బోరింగ్ అండ్ ఫుల్ అమెరికా ఇండియా టైమింగ్స్ మిక్స్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టైమ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ స్టార్ట్ మధుర ఆడియోలో ఇంటర్వ్యూ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన దగ్గర నుంచి కైండ్ లైక్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ ఐమ్ హ్యాపీ.
You know how to spare over your time.
సారీ.
No, are you like once you started doing the live with Madhura Audio, like you got to know how to wear over your time. You're not getting bored right now.
Exactly. It's like
Yeah,
ఒక పని ఉంది చేయడానికి. I have something to do, not just sit and
exactly.
Netflix around the day.
Yeah, I'm doing that only. In the starting, we had those things, we will work out and learn new hobbies, cook. But now, as the day goes, you know that you can just sleep around and watch Netflix. That's all you can do right now.
Yeah, totally. So
Yeah.
recent times లో ఏమేమి వెబ్ సిరీస్ కానీ కొత్త మూవీస్ కానీ ఏం వాచ్ చేసావు? సజెస్ట్ us few also, మేము కూడా వాచ్ చేస్తాం.
I have just finished Patal Lok. It's on Amazon, and I suggest all of you should watch it. And apparently, I just started with Sacred Games.
Take a game.
Sacred Games, Netflix.
Secret games. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
Sacred
next level.
Games.
Okay.
Yeah, but apparently, I think the whole world would have watched it already. But I got to know from a lot of people that's a good one to watch. So I'm seeing it now. I'm on episode 3, I guess. Yeah.
Sacred games. It's kind of quite a nice one. Good, good. You'll have like good time pass జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది మంచిగా.
Yeah.
So, how about like career? How is it going on, Malavika? ఇప్పుడు right now any offers or coming up projects? So already my fans అందరు కూడా they've joined up and everybody's saying hi, hi, hi also for you.
Yeah. My I have one movie still going on apparently, and we have small shoot left for BFS Boyfriend for Hire. So I think
Oh,
we'll take next, yeah. So once the lockdown is over, we'll do that shoot, and then later on I'll see if the more projects come. I'm taking it slow right now. That let it happen, let it come out of the screen. Yeah,
okay. See,
yeah.
Bhavna asked Miss Me. Okay, Madhura Sridhar garu అడుగుతున్నారు, Malavika, please check your mic. It's resounding anta.
Is it? Uh, Hello.
Probably it must be
Uh-huh.
echoing or
I think I
something.
should just remove my speakers and
Yeah, headphones తీసేసి. Yeah, better. Let's try it like this. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నది పోయింది, ఉంచుకున్నది పోయింది. హలో.
Yeah, Neha, is it fine now?
నాకైతే బెటర్ గా ఉంది. లెట్స్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ ఆల్సో లీవ్ us their comments. సో గైస్, ఇప్పుడు మాల్విక వాయిస్ ఓకేనా? Flashing. Ramya Suresh, thank you so much, Ramya Suresh. Nehaka and Malvika Akka both are beautiful. Such cute, చిన్నపిల్లల cute answer ఇచ్చింది. I think okay, ఇప్పుడు వాయిస్ బెటర్ ఉందని పెడుతున్నారు. స్పీకర్స్ తీసిన తర్వాత కానీ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చింది. ఎస్, ఇట్స్ ఓకే నౌ, మాల్విక.
Yeah. Even they are thinking, right. So, yeah, we can continue.
Yes, everybody says it's quite better. Yaar. Okay, it is fine, Akka. Okay, everybody's good on it. Okay, so move on. Yeah, so coming up projects గురించి చెప్తున్నారు. Whether BFF is going on and some other movie.
Hello? The video is getting stuck. Yeah,
అవునా?
wait.
నాకు ఈ
Yeah.
వీడియో స్టక్ అవుతుంది.
Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now say.
Yeah, coming up movies గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నావు. So what are your plans?
My plans regarding? Just a minute. I'll just like switch off my fan. I think it's making a lot of noise. Yeah, now say.
Okay.
My plans.
Yeah. I mean, career గురించి చెప్తున్నారు, coming up plans and all, Malvika. So let's continue on that.
My coming up plans, I mean, one movie is released, so people actually gave a good response towards the acting part. So I'm happy with that, and just now done with BFH also. So I'm just, I'm looking forward to it. If people like my work, I will continue doing it. So I'm happy that people are actually texting on Instagram, and they're saying that we really love your acting. You did your role in a like the role you got, you did in the best way. So yes, that makes you happy actually when you see people commenting on your work. Yeah.
నైస్. అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నట్టుగానే ఆల్రెడీ ఒక మూవీ చేశారు చూసి చూడంగానే, అండ్ దాని గురించి కూడా వి రీసెంట్లీ స్పోక్ విత్ శివ కందుకూరి ఆల్సో. సో కొన్ని సీక్రెట్స్ కూడా రివీల్ చేశారు మీ గురించి. యు నో దట్?
With secrets? No, I don't know that. With secrets? Tell.
ఓకే, చాలా చెప్పారు, బట్ అందులోంచి ఒకటి అయితే షార్ట్ రెడీ అన్నప్పుడు యూ యూస్ టు లైక్ క్లోజ్ ద బుక్ అండ్ దెన్ గో వెళ్ళి షూట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ వచ్చి మళ్ళీ బుక్ తెరిచి కూర్చుంటుండే అంట కదా?
Yeah, actually, I remember I did this shoot 2 weeks before my board exams. So I had to study also and
మాల్విక, సారీ టు ఇంటరప్ట్, మధుశ్రీధర్ సార్ ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ అన్నమాట, కొంచెం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడగలుగుతావా అని. సో ట్రై స్పీకింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, వచ్చిన మాటలు అందులో యూస్ చేద్దాం.
Madhuri sir had to do what should I say, that a movie tarvata, I mean, I was having my exams, so because of that I had to balance both the things, and you should help me with the Telugu lines. You tell me what to do. Apparently I used to learn Telugu during my sets, in the sense in BFH, in Chustudangane, by listening to people. Now it has been such a long time, such a like 2 months already, that all those small words, even if I knew some Telugu words, it's all vanished.
Totally మర్చిపోయావా?
Totally మర్చిపోయాను. Am I right?
ఓకే, నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది. తెలుగు ఏ లెవెల్లో వచ్చో ఒక్క మాటతో అర్థమైపోయింది. యా, సో చాలా యంగ్ ఏజ్ లో ఐ నో యూ స్టార్టెడ్ యువర్ యాక్టింగ్. ఫస్ట్ మూవీ చూసి చూడంగానే దట్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్ +1 +2 చదువుతున్న టైంలో. సో ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేశారు?
Apparently, my first movie was Allah. That was my first film. Apparently, it couldn't come on the silver screen. And then I did Gane during my 12th, apparently 12th class. And how did I balance? I told you, right? I mean, during the shoot, I used to study and then go back again to the shoot, and then script also. It was a hectic time, honestly. It was a hectic time. And that time I was very new to Telugu. Apparently now I understand what you are saying and what people say in Telugu. I can at least understand that. I didn't know a single thing about Telugu. So it was more tough for me. And what Shiva said is right, and he actually helped me a lot in all this. Because I remember, he used to me and he used to prompt. If I used to, like, if it used to be my close-up, right, my close-up shots, he used to sit in the front and he used to prompt my dialogue so I can get to know. So he, like, many ways he did help me with shooting.
That is really, really nice. So sweet of him. So good to know.
Yeah. He didn't tell you this secret?
ఇది చెప్పలేదు, అదొకటే చెప్పాడు.
Okay.
Okay. So Tarak 143 is asking, he's a big fan of you and how are you అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
Yeah, Tarak, I'm all good. And how are you? How is quarantine treating you?
Nice. Good. Sorry?
There are many, my college friends are also texting. I'm just looking at them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And I heard, అంటే నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు మాల్విక మోడలింగ్ కూడా చేసింది అని విన్నాను. సో మోడలింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి మాల్విక.
I did modeling in the sense, not for a very, I mean, normal photo shoots you do for your own for your own gallery, and then I did for 2 designers. So I think because of this modeling thing, I'm more familiar with the camera during the shoot. Because once I've done this shoot, and I have done ramp walk also apparently when during my 10th and 11th, I guess. So this actually teaches you not to be scared of camera because people have fear from camera apparently when you start newly, and I didn't have that thing, so I should thank my mom for this whole thing that I'm not
Oh,
scared. Yeah.
okay. That's really nice. So, a designer ki ramp walk చేశారు గుర్తుందా?
I did recent after Choose It Gangani, I did for Kalanikethan. And then before that, I did one shoot for um, what's her name? Sanita Reddy. So there is a
Samira.
designer.
Okay. Okay.
Done. Yeah.
Oh,
Only
okay.
these.
So we have. Okay. So ikkada Limson 143 question అడుగుతున్నారు. So when you're planning to come Allahabad to meet your school friends, so is it somebody whom you know?
I have to actually find that text. There are so many. Allahabad. Actually, before Hyderabad, I was in Allahabad. So I think that those people in Allahabad. And for them, I don't know when we come to Allahabad next because
Okay.
it depends according to postings. Yeah.
Okay. So there's another good question from Neelima Gujeti. Says, why don't you try Miss India or Miss World, Malavika? Why not?
Okay. So apparently, I will be trying Miss India this year. I was not
Yay! We got to know that.
wanting to tell people about it. I didn't tell anybody apparently, except my parents and my very, very close friends. But I may try because I have got this thing from many people. But yeah, I'll try. But it's a big deal, even like, going there and giving auditions. So this year, yes, I'll do it for Miss India 2020. Yeah. I hope it happens.
Awesome! Excited. Wish you all the best for this. So any kind of preparation going on? So ఏమైనా preparation నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? ఏమైనా జరుగుతుందా?
Preparation, apparently, yes, I am preparing for it. And regarding the question answers and, the fitness. So that's the only thing I'm doing. That's the only thing keeping up with me. And yeah.
Okay. So and I can see me die-hard fans unnaru. That is definitely of Tarak because you are more than Miss India antunar Tarak. And Uma Maheshwari sending so much of love to you. She's your favorite actress and full hearts and all pampistundi Uma Maheshwari kuda.
I love you so much. Yeah. I'm reading them. Who is your
Yeah.
favorite hero?
Huh.
Okay. There are two apparently. One is Vijay.
Vijay Devarkonda.
I think everybody is heartthrob. One is Vijay Devarkonda, and second is Advi Shesh.
Wow, but that's such good to know that. ఎందుకు అద్వి శేష్ గారి యాక్టింగ్ అంటే మీకు బాగా ఇష్టం?
Advi, because I don't know. I mean, his acting, the way he selects movies, the choice he does, and I have actually seen all his films, and he does more of a suspense thriller film, and that's a tough thing to do. Trust me, for that, acting is something which is the utmost priority, and he does it really well. And he's obviously very good looking, so Advi, yeah. Sheesh, yeah.
Okay. Favorite heroines ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
Who's your favorite?
Sorry?
Who's your favorite hero?
Voice break అయింది. Yeah, please come again.
I'm saying, who's your favorite hero?
నా ఫేవరెట్ హీరో మాల్విక. నేను నిన్ను ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తున్నాను, నన్ను ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయకు, నేను చచ్చిపోతాను.
Okay.
Okay, but as you asked, నాకు అందరూ ఫేవరెట్ హీరోస్, ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్క హీరోలోంచి నాకు ఒక్కొక్క క్వాలిటీ నచ్చుతుంది. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ వన్ పర్సన్ హూ ఇట్ ఇస్, నాకు ఎన్టీఆర్ ఎక్కువగా more of Junior NTR is somebody more I love to watch.
Okay. Got it. What were you asking?
Favorite heroine that somebody admired you so much? Any actresses you admire?
I admire. In Telugu or in
Yeah.
Telugu?
Telugu.
I really like Anushka Shetty, and yeah, I like Anushka Shetty. Yes. Others, everyone. Samantha is good. Samantha is a fine actress, and Rakul is good. But I think among, if I have to choose one, I'll choose Anushka Shetty.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so యూజువల్గా చాలా స్టోరీ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా మాలవిక. సో ఎటువంటి స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఎటువంటి స్టోరీస్ ని ఎక్కువగా ఇష్టపడుతుంటుంది మాలవిక దట్ టు డూ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్?
Okay, so I'm actually very choosy when it comes to scripts. Very choosy because I wish to do those films which actually makes what do I say? I like films which are more into suspense thriller, and I actually want to do one film with Shesh actually. Apparently, yeah, I want to do one film. I really want to do like one film with him.
Hope this
That's one.
receives goes to Sheshu. Let's hope for that.
I wish he listens to this live video.
Yeah.
Then I want to do films, which are very logical and which has more of a sense in it. And any I think rom-com, let it be rom-com, thriller, anything can be good, but it should have a strong acting and a strong storyline. I think that's what matters to me a lot.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so more of suspense thrillers ఇలాంటివి అయితే ఎక్కువగా ఇష్టం.
Yeah, more even a scene. Yeah, because I have already done romantic roles, and I actually want to see myself in different characters, let it be a serious one or in different roles. So
Get it.
looking forward to it.
Okay, that's good to know that. So, ఎవరైనా favorite directors ఉన్నారా మాలవిక that in future that you want to work with?
Obviously, I mean Mani Ratnam sir is there, Rajamouli sir. So these are the two. They are legends, and I wish I could work with them someday. Yeah.
So,
But you should always dream for the best. So yeah.
yeah. And yeah, director's point రాగానే that చూసి చూడంగానే movie director was a female director, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how is it working with her and direction thing and all? ఎలా అనిపించింది అక్కడ work?
Even director as well as the script writer, both female. So apparently, the difference between a male director and a female director is that female one would be actually more strict, and she would be sweet in the set, and I think Padma and Kesha, they used to work hand in hand. They together only. They I mean, that's how they work best. And we actually used to have a lot of fun in the set because when you have females around you, then you feel more, I think, more happy being on the sets. So I think I actually enjoyed her director. It was all good.
That's
And yeah, Shesha was what do you say? A strict one as compared to Padma. So apparently, when they used to join together, one used to scold us, and one used to be the one who used to pamper us, like all the three actors. Yeah, Padma used to pamper us.
ఓకే, బాగుంది. సో మంచి బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతూ ఉండేది అనమాట. ఒకళ్ళేమో తిడతా ఉన్నా, ఒకళ్ళు ఇంకో బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు.
Yeah.
Nice. So how is it like, one of the nicest, one of the good producers of Telugu film industry, Rajkant Guri garu. So how was it working with him?
Raj sir is amazing. I mean, even though it was his son's film, it never showed up, as if he's prioritizing him in the film or something like that. He used to come on this as any other normal film he's producing, and I think there was no relation in the sense that it's a father and a son working in a whole film. It was more of like actor and a producer. That really, yeah. I think that's hats off to him for that, and to Shiva also. Yeah,
Okay,
it was.
that's nice. Yeah, and చాలా మంచి మంచి కమెంట్స్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి మీ గురించి. All about that. A lot of people were also asking Tarak, Suresh, Uma, Neelima, and I also saw Dilip. Somebody is giving nice messages. Hello Dilip, both of us are good. Please, ఏమైనా questions అడగాలనుకుంటే అడగండి. And Rishu is somebody you said like you rock every look, Malvika. Lots of love is Rishu.
Is it? It's so tough to find the
పైన
messages.
వెళ్ళిపోయింది. యా, నేను అన్ని ఇలాగా పిన్ పెట్టి తీసి పెట్టుకుంటున్నా. సో ఐ జస్ట్ సెట్ దెమ్ ఆఫ్. యా,
But there are many.
యా, మాలవిక సోనా, we also got to know that మిస్ ఇండియాకి అండ్ ఆల్ ప్రిపేర్ కూడా అవుతున్నారు అనేసి. సో we really wanted to know ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే కొన్ని ది ఆర్ టిప్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలి మీ దగ్గర నుంచి. So any beauty tips that you follow or any remedies or anything, please let us know.
No, trust me. You should ask my mom. Yeah, no, don't even. I have seen people doing a lot of things, lockdown, applying home remedies, and taking care of their skin. I don't do anything. If something I do, that's done by my mother. Okay, she'll bring aloe vera from outside. She'll grate. She'll give it to me. So, if there is anything is actually helping me or helping with my skin, it's all thanks to my mom. She'll force me to apply things on my face. Yeah. She. Yeah.
Okay. So but regular గా యూజ్ చేసే ఆ స్కిన్ హ్యాక్స్ ఏదైనా చెప్తారా మాకు?
What I apply on the skin every day.
Yes.
I think it's good if you apply gel before sleeping. Gel, if possible, that's the best thing. It will, in this, it's pretty hot nowadays. Actually, good if you apply it. It's good for your sunburn, your acne. So it'll actually help you control it. It'll reduce the heat. So
Okay. So aloe vera use చేయమంటారు. Anything that's a hack from you. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే కొన్ని సెల్ఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి లిటిల్ హానెస్ట్ అబౌట్ దెమ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ సో ట్రూ. ఓకే. యా, Dilip, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for complimenting me also along with Malavika, first of all. Thank you so much. Yes, Neelima, that's a lovely question. Yeah, ee question అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను అడగాల్సిన క్వశ్చన్ లోకి వెళ్తా. Neelima is asking, when will you work under Madhura banner? So I think Madhura audio banner ముందు already audio తోటి your movie came. So Madhura production లో ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు అని.
I think you should ask Madurai sir about that. He must he'll reply to you.
Totally.
Movie Sridevi, Dr. Janvi, you look so you can do the Telugu remake of Dhadak. Thank you for saying I look like Janvi. Nilima, who is Nilima? I mean, she's actually saying a lot of sweet words.
Such lovely questions she gave. Like I actually kind of wait for her for questions.
A lot of messages she has given. As your eyes are like Sridevi's daughter.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, ఏదైనా we all have obsessions. ఒకదాని మీద గర్ల్స్ అబ్సెషన్స్ కొన్ని థింగ్స్ మీద ఉంటాయి. సో మాల్వికాకి అలాగే ఏమైనా అబ్సెషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
Obsessions? In what terms? Like which obsession are you asking? Like obsession towards what?
Okay. నాకున్న వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్యాడ్ అబ్సెషన్స్ ఏంటంటే మై ఫుట్ వేర్. సో ఏదైనా స్టోర్ కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నాకు ఏదైనా ఒక స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ ఫుట్ వేర్ నచ్చాయి అని అంటే అందులో ఎన్ని కలర్స్ ఉంటాయో అన్ని కలర్స్ కొనేస్తాను నేను.
ఓకే. Uh,
Bad obsession that I just want all of them. I just love it, so I want all of them. ఇప్పుడు నన్ను ఆడుకుంటారు కింద నాకు తెలుసు మామూలు మెసేజ్లు పెట్టి బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సచ్ బ్యాడ్ అబ్సెషన్ లైక్ దట్ సో నీకు అలాంటివి ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా లైక్ యూ లైక్ సంథింగ్ యూ లైక్ యూనో ఏమైనా ఎక్కువగా కొండము లేకపోతే ఏమైనా దాచిపెడుతూ ఉండడము అలాగా
honestly speaking, naku AM obsession ledu. I don't think I really have. So I don't have. I don't have. I
Okay.
don't have. I don't have.
Okay, but any kind of habit of collecting something, collections alaga, that is also a no.
So no, my brother has it like many other things. I've seen stamps,
Okay,
but I've still collect anything. I don't collect anything. That's strange. I think I should build up some habits. Yeah.
you just realized it.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, sure. I think because yeah, everybody does it. Even I should try out something, no? And next time we have a live, I will collect a lot of. I mean, I'll have something to answer. Trust me.
Sure, okay, I'll remember this. See, is there? I mean, what kind of situation lo Malavika tanlo tanu maatladukuntundi? At what kind of situation that you talk to yourself?
I think it's in every situation in which when I'm tensed or I'm motivating myself. Maybe before the live video, before going on
Like
the
what?
stage.
So like what?
How
You
do you
wanted
know?
to know what was that discussion went with Malavika and Malavika's brain before the live?
Because it's my first time, okay, having a live with somebody. It's my first time. So things like, like how should you speak? That I'll rehearse a bit I'll rehearse, okay? That, okay, I should be calm and I should answer in this way. So these are things which actually keeps going in my mind and during obviously my exams and I think that's normal with everybody. Everybody would be doing this before exam, you talk to yourself that okay, this is the answer, ho jayega, it's okay, calm down, keep cool. I do this thing a lot. Yeah, a lot.
Nice. Okay, good to know that. So usually అంటే మన ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో సే లైక్ టాలీవుడ్ బాలీవుడ్ whoever I mean both రెండిట్లో కూడాను ఓకే బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్ ద పర్ఫెక్ట్ టాపర్ స్టూడెంట్ అని అంటున్నాడు శివ కందుకూరి
Perfect offer student. Thank you, Shiva. I actually have to find Shiva's message. Okay, so Shiva, thank you for saying this. He's actually, I mean, he's again pulling my leg apparently because my 12th result came out during the shoot. And hello?
Yeah, what happened to the result?
The thing was, my 12th result. It came out. I mean, apparently, what you have, your CBSE's 12 board result, you have a reminder, right? Ki after 2 days it will come, after 3 days it will come. This time it was all like one day it came out in the news that the results are open. And I remember my mom was sitting in the room and I was shooting that time. And apparently, my mom called, okay? She called my assistant. And she told him, ki, give phone to Malvika. And I was like, okay, I got your marks of the 12th. And it's 90 above. So then I told Shiva because I was super happy. And because I think we were pretty less people who got 90 plus. And it's a big achievement getting 90 plus.
He's just saying that you got 96% ani.
Who said it?
Shiva is saying 96% was her final score.
No, it's not that high. Just keep it 90 above. Shiva is always hyping me like this. Yes, he does it everywhere. All my promotions, he was doing this. Somebody married Malvika. I'm not married. I'm in college first year.
She's just in her degree first year, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Uma Maheshwari.
Okay. Okay. then that's fine. So ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతుంది కదా, సో టాలీవుడ్ నుంచి అయినా బాలీవుడ్ నుంచి అయినా ఏ హీరోయిన్ క్లోత్స్ వార్డ్రోబ్ కలెక్షన్ అంటే మాల్వికాకి చాలా ఇష్టం, అండ్ ఏ హీరోయిన్ క్లోత్స్ దట్ యు వుడ్ లైక్ టు స్టీల్ దెమ్ ఆఫ్, ఐ మీన్ whose designs that you would like to steal them off? నువ్వు వేసుకోవడానికి.
You mean you're asking from Tollywood and Bollywood, or
Yeah.
choose one?
Tollywood and Bollywood, both.
I think any day if I need to steal somebody's wardrobe, it would be Deepika Padukone's. I mean, any day, why not? Why not hers? If I get a chance, so please. Her clothing, her sense of dressing, it's outstanding. So any day if I get a chance, I'm gonna rob her wardrobe.
So any other than that, if not Deepika, then who else?
If not Deepika, then I like Alia's wardrobe. Sonam is good, but I think I'll prefer Deepika and Alia above them.
Okay. Totally. Deepika is definitely onto that.
She's a stand-up. Yeah.
Yeah. And what kind of preparations నువ్వు చేస్తున్నావు మాలిక for your coming up movies or for your career? So ఏం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నావు, ఎలా ప్రిపరేషన్స్ చేస్తున్నావు?
For my career, obviously, I have to first. Now, at least, I can understand Telugu. Like, I can understand what you're talking. That's why I'm replying. But now I have to get on with the language to speak. And apparently, I can speak, but I'm scared to speak in front of a large public because I know I'll make this big grammatical mistakes and it'll be a fun. So, I think first thing I should do. Being in Telugu industry, or let be any industry, is to know the language in which you are performing. Yeah, so that will enhance your acting and obviously make your work easier. So first aim is to learn Telugu. Yeah.
Good. I am excited. I'm happy to hear this news, first of all.
Yeah.
Yeah. So many good questions coming up. So Tarak aita sir prema pongi porli dorli potundi Tarakdi.
Tarak is asking, can you ask this Neha ma'am, please?
Okay, so what was his question? How many proposals you got till now? Was his question.
I don't know. I mean, I have never counted in such a way, but yeah, many.
Definitely, it is obvious. It's obvious.
It's not.
So let's just... Sorry?
I mean, how am I supposed to count the proposals? I mean, if I count like 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know. Maybe 10, 20.
Okay, so number పక్కన పెట్టేసి ఒక్కసారి, of course you remember few of those proposals, ఒక weirdest proposal, ఇది ఏం proposal రా బాబు అని అనిపించిన proposal ఏదైనా ఉందా?
Okay, so I was in class 9th. Yes, I was in 9th. I just joined school, apparently in Hyderabad only. And only 1 month, like I just started 1 month back. And there was this guy from the other class. I mean, the same class with different section. When it was time to go home, apparently this guy he just proposed me in front of the, the staff room, and it was gathered by students. And he was just like, he just like kneeled down and he was like, Malvika, I would love if you would be my girlfriend. And obviously I had to say no. I didn't even know who the person is. So yeah, that was actually pretty weird because you were new in the school and somebody's proposing, in a weird manner, and people are just looking at you. And it was pretty weird. Trust me, weirdest proposal I ever got.
Totally. So full school మొత్తం మాల్విక ప్రపోజల్ గురించి టాక్ నడుచుండి ఉంటది కదా, హాట్ టాపిక్.
For a short for a short time, and it actually reached teachers also because somebody complained. Yeah, I didn't complain. Somebody else complained. somebody else complained. It reached the PTM, it reached the teachers, and then obviously, I think from childhood, I'm sharing everything with my mom. Everything, every single detail. So even when teachers told my mom, it was like she said, "Yeah, I already know about it. She already told me long before." Wait, somebody just texted Malvika, if you pair with Vijay Devarkonda, you both would be a great pair together.
That's definitely Neelima. Ayyo!
I'm dying for that. I'm waiting for that moment to come. I really wish we could do.
Okay. So if it is that, okay, Vijay Devarkonda cheyalsi vaste, what kind of subject you wanted to do? Ah,
Um, how? We can. Oh my God. I think any subject would be fine with him. Any. Let it be rom-com, crime thriller, whatever it is. I think I'll be fine with him if he's the hero I'm acting with. So it's cool for me.
oh
Yeah.
my God. I can see that blush thing happening around.
And I was like, okay, I think she actually heard what I really wanted to say from a long time. Thank you, Nilema. I wish
Oh.
it. I wish.
But Neelima says obviously it should be romantic. It's Neelima's suggestion too. Let's hope both of them pair up in whatever way.
Yes, I swear. I just hope it happens soon. I'm
Okay.
waiting for it to come true. Yeah.
Okay. So I want to know a little few more questions for this quarantine thing as it's kind of coming up to an end in such a way. So quarantine అయిపోయి అంతా it's all set అని అనుకున్నప్పుడు first 5 things ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటుంది మాల్విక?
First 5 things. First thing would be actually to go and eat something from outside. I want to have chicken biryani. The Hyderabadi chicken biryani. I'm dying to have it. And then second would be actually going out because it has been so many days just stuck in one house, and even though we are very happy to be around with family, but still, meeting your friends and going around with them is something I really want to go. Like I really want to do after this quarantine ends. And third would be going to my father because apparently he's not with us. He was supposed to come here long back, but he got stuck up in Tamil Nadu. So
Oh.
can go there, something in these two.
Oh, okay, that's really nice. So ఇప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ అయి ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి సో apparently I'm asking these questions to everybody. So లాక్డౌన్ ఒకవేళ నీకు చాయిస్ వస్తే which two directors నువ్వు లాక్డౌన్ నీతో పాటు అవ్వడానికి that you will wish for?
Two directors I wish to like what?
To get
I
locked down with.
get locked down with.
Thanks, Tara. Thanks for the compliment.
Hey Neha, is my name. Okay. I
What have you
think
said? Huh.
the two directors, obviously, as I told you, the legends Rajmouli sir and Mani Ratnam sir. I think yes, these two. Neha Garu, smile please.
I'm smiling. I'm actually laughing here. So, Rajmouli garu and Mani Ratnam sir. Okay. So, ఇద్దరు టూ యాక్టర్స్ తోటి లాక్డౌన్ అవ్వాలంటే ఎవరు? ఓకే, ఐ నో యూ విల్ చూస్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ వన్ అమాంగ్ దాట్. సో విజయ్ దేవరకొండ పక్కన పెడదాము. ఆయన కాకుండా ఇంకో ఇద్దరిని అంటే
Advishesh.
I should have told that before also. Okay, Advisesh and who next? Two.
One more you want?
Yeah, two people, right?
Uh, somebody whom I like.
To get locked down with.
Thinking. What should I say?
నీ లైఫ్ లోంచి విజయ్ దేవరకొండని పక్కన పెడితే ఎంతసేపు పాజ్ వస్తుందో అర్థమవుతుంది.
I don't know. I mean, I think I'll be comfortable with any of my present two co-stars. Let be Shiva Kantukuri or Vishwant. Anyone from these two, I'll be happy with them.
Oh, okay. That's smart. That's really a smart answer now. So, ఇద్దరు హీరోయిన్స్ అయితే ఎవరు? Telugu. Let's stick to Telugu heroines.
If Telugu, then I'll go with Anushka Shetty and I'll go with Rakul.
Anushka Shetty and Rakul. It's perfect combination. You can like you can have good company, good food, and good fitness workout and everything also.
And moreover, I think Rakul is from a army background, so I can actually have a good talk with her. All this, so yeah.
Okay, so there's somebody called Georgian Anand. What was your stream in class 12?
My stream, I was a commerce student.
Commerce. Oh, okay. So we were not of మేమంతా స్టేట్ సిలబస్ బ్యాచ్ మాకు అటు సైడ్ తెలియదు. Okay. That's really nice. And just we have all this డిఫరెంట్ ఇమాజినేషన్స్. ఏదైనా మూవీ వాచ్ చేస్తుంటే అందులో మనల్ని ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా ఆబ్వియస్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ కదా. సో అలాగా ఇస్ దేర్ ఎనీ మూవీ దట్ మాల్వికాకి ఛాన్స్ వస్తే దట్ యూ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రీమేక్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్? I mean, you as a lead in it. I mean, actress in it.
Which language? Any particular language or?
Telugu. Let's stick to Telugu.
If we stuck to Telugu, I think I would love to make, to remake, one would be Geeta Govindam with Vijay. And again,
What is it? I missed the name.
Geeta Govindam.
Geeta Govindam. Okay. With Malli Vijay Deverakonda. Okay.
I would like to in Jersey. Jersey with Nani.
Jersey. Oh.
Jersey.
Okay. So sports మీద కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందన్నమాట అయితే మాల్వికాకి.
I'm a badminton player. I have represented my school in South Zonals and I'm in college team right now. So yeah, badminton is something which I love to play.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
So Tarak is somebody your biggest fan of you so far in this live is suggesting Em Maya Chesave is best for you anta.
Em Maya Chesave. I've actually heard a lot of people saying about this one. So yeah, I think I can even go with this.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay, Suresh Tarak is also saying hi, and Malvika, wish me please anta. Wish me. Oh, there's a lot of love and kisses.
Okay, wish you have birthday something. This Suresh even said, Neha, please you say me hi. Wish me. He's telling you too.
Oh, Suresh, Tarak, hi. Malvika, hi, and kissul verthenemo namakana. Okay, so there's another good question from Neelima. So, but yeah, apparently let me just add some masala into it. So, what was that in the in your childhood we dream of ne peddayaka nen doctor avta, nen lawyer avta, nen IAS avta antu untam kada. So, chinnappudu Malvika em anedi? What does she want you to become all the time?
I still want to become an army officer apparently. And I still want to become an army officer.
Oh, because your father is into army and all.
Yeah, he's an army officer. When you actually grow in this field, you apparently know how it works. And I think it was always a dream for me at least to get into army. So I'll giving my CDS exam in next 2 years, I suppose, for army. I'll be giving CDS. Yeah. And in one was being Miss India. Acting was never, because I never knew how to go into acting field. I never had that thing in mind. It was never like to be an actor. It was more of like I can be a Miss India or be a doctor and then become an army. And beach mein I had IAS and IPS thing also. So I had many ambition in my life apparently.
Okay, that's good that probably acting brought you through some destiny or something. But what next? And you still have a lot of options in your hand because you're just in your degree. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్ టైప్స్ లోకి వెళ్తుందా మాల్విక, ఆర్మీ సైడ్ వెళ్తుందా, ఆర్ యాక్టింగ్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తుందా?
Um, I'll surely continue acting till the time people are loving my work and till the time I am getting good work. And you know, because see, till the time you get an opportunity, I think you should take it. So I would just, you know, I'll just take out everything in this industry I want to do. I'll do my best. I'll give my best. I'll make the audience happy, and later on, I may join army. So you know, I think I should just simply go with the flow. So I'll just let it go how it is going. So let's see where I reach, because you know, you should never plan something. Your video.
Hello, stuck అయింది మాల్విక.
Hello?
Yeah, I get that. Huh. It's really nice planning you have, Malvika.
Thank you.
Yeah. So see, movies loki రావడానికి what was the reason and who inspired you the most? Tarak was also asking the same question.
To get into films, actually, it happened pretty suddenly. I mean, I got this offer. I was in class 2. The first film was Ala, and at class 10, my boards were over that time. I got a message on Instagram from my director, and he just spoke to my dad. I was underage, so you have father. He spoke. I remember 3 days. I for the shoot. So it never planned in some go for audition and then things will happen. No, it just like saw my picture and wanted me to be my my one relative, my one Chachu. He stays there. He stayed in this place.
Your voice is breaking a lot, Malvika, actually. A lot.
Wait, I think there's something with audition. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's better.
Is it fine? I'm saying that in my 10th class, I got this first offer by my director through Instagram. Apparently, he messaged me on Instagram. And, you know, apparently you get a lot of messages like these on Instagram. So I didn't take it seriously at that time. Then later on, I just told my dad about it. And he spoke to that director. And I think he told that, you know, the script is that, don't worry, she'll be and obviously, you know, my mom was always. So I 3 days we went to Vizag for the shooting, and that movie got over. And after seeing one song, that song's name is like it's Allah cover song. Raj sir saw the song, then he called me, then I went to this. So actually, the whole process, it's not something, you know, I had to go for some audition or something. It just happened. It just happened as it had to happen. I mean, I think I was lucky enough for all this.
Totally. Destiny. Now I see that. Okay.
Yeah, I really think it's destiny.
Yes. So let's just have a small talk on music right now. So usually గా మాల్విక ఎటువంటి మ్యూజిక్ వింటూ ఉంటుంది ఎక్కువగా?
Hello?
Yeah, ఎటువంటి మ్యూజిక్ మాల్విక ఎక్కువగా వింటూ ఉంటుంది? What's your favorite music?
My favorite music, I mean, I generally listen to old Hindi songs, romantic songs. That's what I always listen to. Yeah. And I'm not a very, you know, people have different choices. Some people like pop songs, somebody will like hard rock. I'm more into when it comes to, you know, romantic and soft, smooth songs. Let it be Hindi. I'm listening to a lot of Telugu songs right now, the new ones, and Malayalam, obviously. So yeah.
That's nice. So already అడుగుతున్నారు మరి విజయ్ దేవరకొండ ఇంత ఫేవరెట్ కదా, సో విజయ్ దేవరకొండ మూవీస్ నుంచి లేకపోతే యువర్ మూవీ చూసి చూడంగానే మూవీ నుంచి అయినా ఒక సాంగ్ పాడాలి ఇప్పుడు మాల్విక, తప్పదు.
Oh my God. The only thing I can't do in my life is singing. I sing so bad. I'm a pathetic singer, horrible singer. Trust me.
We love you so much that we can bear it. It's totally fine.
Um, I love Inkem Inkem Kavale. I mean, even though it's old, but I still love it. And how should I sing it? I know I'll eat up few words.
Totally fine. Everybody is ready and everybody wants to listen. Go on, come on.
Can you sing that with because I know my some I mean I'll miss some words. It's Inkem 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 Kavale. Then
Go on. నేను పాడే ప్రసక్తే లేదు.
I can sing. I have speaker on or something, no, with listening to it.
Background music. ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి అంటే ఎవ్రీబడి వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ప్రాపర్ గా దట్ 2 lines.
ఇంకేం 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 కావాలి చాలే ఇది చాలే. Next.
Okay, I think it was like నాకే నువ్వే వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే.
నువ్వు వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే ఇది చాలే. Something like that.
నా పరువు కూడా పోతుంది నీకు ఈ సాంగ్ తెలియదా అని వదిలే మాల్విక.
I was like, because Telugu lines are pretty hard. I mean, especially in songs. So I'm just like thinking, what line, what word was it? If it is on my speaker, then I can sing it very nicely with all nice words. But if you tell me to sing right now, I'll be like stuck up in some middle of the words. So I don't think
So I don't want to trouble you much on that. ఎందుకంటే అందరికి నైస్ వాయిస్ క్యూట్ వాయిస్ బాగా పాడే ఆల్ గుడ్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ కాబట్టి నీ వచ్చిన సాంగ్ నీ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్ ఆర్ హిందీ ఓల్డ్ సాంగ్స్ వింటూ ఉంటాను కదా దట్ ఫ్యూ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సాంగ్ యు రియలీ గుడ్ ఐ మీన్ ఇట్ ఐమ్ నాట్ లైక్
okay. Which song should I sing?
Oh my god, that's so sweet. ఇక్కడ ఆర్కే నాయుడు somebody who's also just copy immediate గా లిరిక్ కూడా పంపించేశాడు ఇంకేం కావాలి ఇది.
Oh wow, thank you. నీకే నువ్వే వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే ఇకపై తిరునాలే గుండెల్లోన గుమ్మంలోకి హుది తెచ్చవే నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే ఇంతేమ్ని. Oh my god. That last line is a bit tricky.
But good. So your favorite song ఏదైనా నీకు బాగా ఫ్రీగా కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉన్న సాంగ్?
In Hindi it would be There's a song called Ti Amo. That's of Rana.
Okay, yeah, please.
तू छाँव है तू धूप है टी आमो मीठी आमो तेरे हजारों रूप है कोई समझा नहीं जो भी है बस खूब है falling so crazy in love टी आमो मीठी आमो तू छाँव है तू धूप है टी आमो मीठी आमो तेरे हजारों रूप है. Okay.
I mean it. That was really a wonderful. I mean, you really sang well. But seriously, Malvika, it's just 1 hour just flew just like that. Thank you so much. And anything, any words, lo, any fans ke par koi na such beautiful comments and support just no fans ke and anything you wanted to
Thank you all of everybody. Because honestly, I read the comments because there are so many comments of I'll read it. Like one says, I'm going to save the live.
Yeah, we are going to save it. You can see it on the Mother Audio page.
And I'll slowly read one and each and every comment. And thank you all for giving such wonderful comments to me. It actually matters a lot.
Awesome. Thank you, Malavika, and wish you a very all the best for your upcoming projects and all the best. And thanks for the time too.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.